Welcome to the best picks. The best bracelet kits is probably one of the most popular and creative gifts for girls of all ages, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash their imagination and create unique, personalized jewelry. These kits provide everything needed to make beautiful bracelets, fostering a sense of accomplishment and sparking their interest in arts and crafts. From simple designs for younger children to more intricate patterns for teens, there's a bracelet making kit to suit every skill level and preference, making it a perfect activity for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Number 5. COO&KOO Charm Bracelet Kit. It's more than just a toy, it's a chance to create and express yourself. This kit has everything needed to make dazzling charm bracelets. Looking for a present that sparks imagination? This is it. Watch them design their own unique bracelets, filled with personality. It's simple to use, no tools or glue required. Kids can easily create beautiful bracelets and have fun doing it. Made with safe, durable materials, it's perfect for kids aged 6 to 12. The charms are sparkling and beautiful. It comes beautifully packaged, ready to give. It's a thoughtful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. With this kit, she can design bracelets that match her style. It's a fun and creative way for girls to express themselves. What we like? It features a magical unicorn design that sparks joy and creativity. It's incredibly simple to assemble, requiring no tools or glue. If your child loves crafting and unique designs, this is the perfect choice for them. What people say? Lots of sweet little beads to keep a child busy for hours. Very good variety. This kit is designed for young creators aged 6 to 10 to put together jewelry combinations with a unicorn theme. It's fun to make and then looks great when they wear the jewelry. It appears to be good quality. The presentation of this gift will be appealing to my 7-year-old daughter. There is an instruction manual to help understanding how to put it together. It's really cute, and I know my daughter will have fun putting these together. Number 4. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It includes 5,520 clay beads in 24 colors, 550 charms, elastic strings, scissors, everything needed to create beautiful bracelets and jewelry. With 24 bright colors, you can mix and match to create unique and colorful designs. Let your imagination run wild. These beads are made of durable polymer clay, are lightweight, and won't fade easily. They're perfect for everyday wear. Use them to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or any other craft project you can imagine. They're great for expressing your creativity. It's a meaningful and fun gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring a smile to any crafter's face. We carefully check each bead to ensure high quality. Enjoy creating beautiful jewelry without worrying about defects. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive array of 24 vibrant colors and hundreds of charming accessories. The high-quality polymer clay beads are durable and safe for your child. If you're looking for a kit with endless creative possibilities, this is it. What people say? The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Designed for ages 6 to 12, the kit encourages creativity and fine motor skill development. Wide variety of 24 vibrant bead colors to suit any design preference. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. This little set is really great. It was such a great price for this set, and it's got everything you need to get started and make cute stuff. I also really appreciated the way it was packaged. I saw in a lot of other sets reviews that the clay little discs or beads come all mixed together. What they did these is have them packed tight this layer of a like foam sheet to make sure each section when closed is closed off tightly and will not and cannot mix. I also like how the box it comes has several buckles to open or close. 2 in the front, 1 on each side. Def makes it more secure and ensures that again there's no space that's not level and will allow for mixing. I think the color selection is good too. You have several variations of basically each color, and I think this would work really well for most BPL, especially someone just starting out. This is a great kit. Beads are high quality. The string is super nice and stretchy. So many colors and charms to add to bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Number 3. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Kit. This complete kit has everything you need to create bracelets and jewelry. It's filled with colorful beads and charms, so let your imagination run wild. These beads are handmade from soft, safe, and eco-friendly polymer clay. They're waterproof, skin-friendly, and won't fade quickly. Parents and children can work together to design bracelets, necklaces, and more. It's a great way to bond and unleash creativity. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's fun for all ages. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like? Everything you need is included in one box, from beads and charms to string and tools. The beads are made from safe, high-quality polymer clay. If you want a comprehensive and worry-free crafting experience, this kit is for you. What people say. The colors are very vibrant, and I love that it even includes shells and some charms. There is a good amount of elastic to make many different things. Lots of vibrant colors. Seems like you can get creative with making bracelets or a necklace if you want. Looks like good quality, durable beads. It's really nice. It's very nice quality and has a large assortment of beads, including letter beads for names, etc. Number 2. Acejoz Charm Bracelet Kit. This kit has everything you need to make stunning bracelets. Let's dive in and start creating. It includes 5 silver chains, 20 pendants, and 60 colorful beads. There's plenty to make several bracelets. The chains are 8.7 inches long and easily adjustable to fit most wrists. Customize it to your perfect fit. Just attach your favorite beads and pendants to the chain. It's that easy to create a unique piece. With so many beads and pendants, you can create many different bracelet styles. Match your mood and outfit. No need to shop around for supplies. This kit has all the components you need to make beautiful bracelets at home. What we like? This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. The bracelet chains are adjustable to fit most wrists. If you want a simple yet stylish bracelet, this is a great option. What people say. The charms are of good quality and they were easy to put together. Great product especially for the price. It was so easy, and I like that you can go back and change them up or add your own beads to make entirely different. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Bracelet Kit. Get ready for hours of fun creating your own dazzling bracelets. This kit has everything you need to make 6 sparkly bracelets. It includes tubing, glitters in 3 colors, 2 types of gemstones, a funnel, connectors, and easy-to-follow instructions. You just add water. This kit is perfect for girls who love arts and crafts. It's a great way to encourage creativity and fine motor skills. With shimmering glitters and gemstones, you can customize each bracelet to match your style. Show off your unique creations. It makes a wonderful birthday, holiday, or just because gift. It comes in beautiful packaging, ready to give. Girls of all ages will love making these bracelets. It's a fun and engaging activity for kids, tweens, and teens. What we like? This kit lets your child create beautiful, sparkly bracelets using water, glitter, and gemstones. The process is fun and engaging, resulting in unique, eye-catching bracelets. If your child loves glitter and sparkle, this is the perfect gift. What people say. This is a fun kit for making beautiful bracelets that can make any child smile. Good quality contents. Bracelets were easy to put together and no mess. My son loves to play with this with his cousins. Great for family time. Good that it has blue bracelets as well as pink and yellow. Great for boys or girls. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.